right here it transitions where when it switches to CGI, because the way I was explaining is through the troposphere is where you have all the pressure in the atmosphere, and you got to have all the speed built up because you got to have pressure for propulsion. So they got to have all the speed within the first 62 miles, and here we go. We got some data now. It finally switches where you see it's 62 miles high, and it's still climbing. At 64 miles, that's the Kármán line. That's 1/100,000th of an atmosphere. There's no pressure whatsoever, and
That
it's
one right
still
You
there.
wouldn't
Also,
get
getting its
you wouldn't get the
propulsion.
wake out of it. No, you wouldn't. See
look
that
at that.
wake coming off of it?
Look at this
Yeah.
nonsense.
They're lying about where they're flying, dude. That's all I'm saying. And they're going at a trajectory now. They're already at an angle. They're like almost at a 45-degree angle there. They're not
Yeah,
going
it was pretty
straight
much
up.
going. No, it was not going straight up at all.
It started arcing almost immediately. If you were there live watching it, it would like appear to like go straight parallel with the Earth, dude. Like, okay.
See, it's at 71 miles. In the past 10 miles, from 60 to 70 miles, it's increased 1,000 kilometers an hour. And look at the pressure at 32 miles. It's 1 millibar. And they're at 71. And they're claiming, look, it's already went up 2,000 kilometers an hour with zero pressure.
It don't work
Because
like that.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. The way I'm saying is from sea level to 12 miles, the troposphere, that's where all the pressure is at for propulsion. And then you get into the stratosphere where daylight's at. There is no pressure, therefore you cannot have no propulsion. But they're showing it, and by the time it gets to 140 miles in the air, I don't know what it was kilometers an hour, but it translates to 11,000 miles an hour.
Are they saying? Oh yeah, so they're saying they're still propelling through.
Yeah,
How high you just said? What was it?
it's
100
76 miles in the air right
oh,
here.
Yeah, that's
76.
above the
Yeah,
Kármán line. Yeah. And
yeah,
you can still actually
exactly.
physically see the object, which is you won't be able to optically get resolution at that.
Yeah,
They're
and
not that high.
look at that propulsion and that rate of speed increase.